Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Cosmic Wonders, where we explore the amazing mysteries of the universe. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in space, black holes. What is a black hole? A black hole is a place in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It is like a giant vacuum cleaner that sucks up everything around it. A black hole is invisible because no light can get out of it. But we can detect black holes by observing how they affect their surroundings. How are black holes formed? There are different types of black holes, but the most common ones are formed when massive stars die. When a star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity and explodes in a huge explosion called a supernova. The core of the star shrinks to a tiny point, where all the matter is squeezed into a very small space. This is called a black hole. How big are black holes? Black holes can have different sizes, depending on how much matter they contain. The smallest black holes are called primordial black holes, and they can be as small as an atom, but as heavy as a mountain. The most common black holes are called stellar black holes, and they can be up to 20 times more massive than the Sun. The biggest black holes are called supermassive black holes, and they can be more than 1,000,000 times more massive than the Sun. The largest black hole ever observed is called Ton 618, and it is 66 billion times more massive than the Sun. What happens if you get close to a black hole? If you get too close to a black hole, you will experience something called spaghettification. This means that you will be stretched and squeezed by the extreme gravity of the black hole until you become like a noodle. You will also see time slow down because gravity affects time as well. This is explained by Einstein's theory of general relativity, which says that time and space are connected. The closer you are to a black hole, the slower time passes for you. Can black holes destroy the universe? No. Black holes are not dangerous to the universe. They only affect the things that are near them. If you replaced the Sun with a black hole of the same mass, the planets would stay in their orbits, but they would get very cold and dark. Black holes can also create amazing phenomena, such as jets of particles that travel at near the speed of light, and rings of gas and dust that glow brightly. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about black holes. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic wonders. See you next time.